It is another beautiful morning here in the city of Forest Park. I greet you all people. Thank you so much for once again coming onto my inbox and ask questions. At least I'm able to respond to most of the questions that you guys are asking. And please keep on making comments under these videos. I'll keep on responding to you so that I can maybe guide you individually. Thank you so much, guys, for always checking on what I post, and I really appreciate and hope that the information I'm giving out there is helping you guys to get the best result out of DV Rotary. So today I have at least 10 points that can make you fail to succeed in the interview process after you have successfully won DV Rotary. I did my own research and I found out that these are the main reasons that makes other people fail even if they get a chance to win DV Rotary. And it's cardinal that we start working on these things that can make us fail to get the visa for DV Rotary. So it is my duty to ensure that I give my people the information that I feel can help them so that they are guaranteed the visa through their local consulate. So I've listed at least 10 points, and I'm going to be reading these points so that at least you can get 1 or 2 points that can help you so that you don't miss this chance. You know, guys, DV Rotary is it's a chance that comes once in a lifetime. So when you get this chance, make sure you use it. We already know for you to apply, it means you've got a purpose why you want to come here. So we want you to maximize the chances so that after winning, you also succeed in going through the interview process and be guaranteed the visa until you land in USA. So without wasting much of your time, guys, let's go into into these 10 points. Here are 10 reasons why I feel you should take care of. So the first one is failure to meet education or work experience, guys. This is one of the most required things that you have to attend. Firstly, these guys, they don't demand a lot of education from you. Maybe they don't even demand for a degree. All they want is you having reached grade 12. In here, they call it high school. You having reached high school, maybe you even obtained a certificate from high school. And the other one, if you don't have if you didn't go as far as going to high school, maybe you ended up to grade 9, you know, here they call junior or middle, then at least you must have maybe gone to college. Maybe these are vocational trainings where you obtained a paper, you were in college for 2 years. So that one is also eligible to make you take part in the DV Rotary application. So maybe let me just read. Applicant must have missed the minimum education requirement, that is high school diploma or equivalent, or have 2 years of qualifying work experience within the past 5 years. Actually, mark that point, guys. Within the past 5 years, it must be within these 5 years range. Failure to prove there either can result you into a visa denial. So for instance, once you apply, you get a chance to apply and then you're even picked. But if you don't have these 2 things I've just mentioned, then you automatically you won't be given the visa. Number 1 priority is you having gone all the way up to senior school. That's a high school, which is grade 12 in other countries. Other countries, they call it Form 5, but in a simpler term is grade 12. So you must have a grade 12. If you don't have, please, you must have done a course of vocational training, be it plumbing, electrical, that we were at a college for 2 years. That one is it can make you to take part in the DV Rotary. So the point number 2 is mispresentation or fraud. Please make sure you're taking note of these points, because these are very important notes. Providing false, misleading, or fraudulent information during the application process or visa, such as incorrect personal details. For instance, that's why we keep on trying to tell you that, guys, you need to work on your document. Let there be names consistent on all your papers. Because, for instance, on your grade 12, you've got 3 names. On your Maybe on your grade 9 certificate you've got these names. On your college paper you've got a different name. So make sure when you go to the interview, for instance, it's very difficult in most of our African countries for you to have those documents edited to have uniform names, because you are the one who made the first mistake in the first place. So what you do is either you attach an affidavit that the court signed to say these are legal names. That can help you when you go to when you go for the interviews. So can lead to automatic disqualification. So you make sure that your names are uniform, be it in grade 12, be it at college level, and any document that you have that you want to present at the embassy, that can help you to maximize the chances of being given a visa. Make sure the names are the same. Be it marriage certificate, be it birth certificate, be it grade 12, and any other document that you want to attach to maximize your chances of being given a visa. Make sure the names are the same. Okay. Point number 3, guys, criminal record or security concerns. This is one of the most important one, guys. This one, take care of it. Make sure you don't have any criminal record. These guys, they can dig about your information and make sure that if you've done anything wrong, they are able to get that information and use it against you so that they don't give you the visa. So let me lead a bit of applicants with certain criminal convictions, including crimes of moral, drug trafficking. Please don't involve yourself in drug, because that is already a denial. Already at a global stage, drugs is a problem for humans. So do you think they can give you a chance to come here if you come and enhance the issue of drug trafficking? That's a non-starter. So make sure that you are clean, you are not involved into drugs. Then the other one is on terrorism. For as long as you don't take part in terrorism, but as long as you've got an attachment to terrorism, you can never be given a visa. Please make sure you are clean of those. That can even lead you not to take part in the DV lottery, for as long as you've got an attachment to do terrorism. Okay, so point number 2, medical eligibility. Yes, this is also one of the most important. That's why before you go for interviews, you are subjected to go under medical checkups. They really want to know if you are fit to come to America. The reason is very simple. They don't want you to come and infect their people here with unknown diseases. I'm not mentioning of own diseases, with unknown diseases. So they make sure that you go under medical checkup so that you are coming here as a clean person. Let me just read a bit of it. Failing the required medical examination, which screens for communicable diseases, e.g. tuberculosis, that's TB, guys, or other health condition that pose a public health risk, can result in visa denial. Like I said, we've got communicable diseases that can pose a risk to other humans when you land here. These can make you be denied a visa. So make sure, guys, especially for you the applicants, once in a while, just go for medical checkups to see your standing in terms of health wise. Make sure you go to the hospital, you just do the scanning so that you are able to say, okay, I'm physically fit. If they need you to take some medication over a certain disease, please start, so that when that time comes for you to go for the interviews, you are physically fit, so that they don't find any problem. That one can even delay you to do the interviews, because if they discover that you've got some things that need to be taken care of, they will subject you to start taking medication, and that can even delay you to go for the interview at the embassy. You find by the time you want to go, you find they've closed, and that is a challenge. So you need to make sure that once in a while you go and check yourself. Then the other one is inconsistence or inaccurate documentation. This one, I think I've even touched a bit. Let me just read about it. Must ensure that all documents, including passports, birth certificates, and marriage certificate, match the information submitted during the lottery process. Inconsistence can lead to this. I've already talked about this. I don't even need to take more, because I think it is one of the most emphasized points in the face of this YouTube video I'm doing. So please make sure your names are matching in all these documents. If there is a J, let there be a J in another document until all the documents meet all these requirements. Please, I'm going to emphasize on this one. Make sure your documents are matching. Then public charge concern. This is one of them. They really look at this one, guys. You really need to take care of yourself. If the USA consulate believes that the applicants may become a public charge, unable to support themselves financially in the USA, and likely to rely on government assistance, they can deny the visa. And that's the reason why these guys always ask you about affidavit of support, meaning someone who's been here, has been here for a long time, they're able to check into their account. If once you land here, these guys are able to support you. If that person is on government assistance and then you use them as someone to provide you with affidavit of support, they won't give you the visa. This is a denial right where they won't even give you the visa. So you need to look for someone who's responsible enough. And for you guys when you're coming here, my prayer is that you become responsible. If you are doing all these bad things in your country, just be responsible, because here they take you to jail. Any slight mistakes here, it can lead you to jail. So just be a straightforward person so that you can keep your family. Who's going to look after your family when you go to jail? Life is hard here, but it's hard, but it's manageable. So the other one is failure to pay required fees. Applicants must pay all required visa processing fees, such as the visa issuance and migrant visa fees. Failing to pay these fees on time can result in denial. So, for instance, guys, you want to go for the interviews. They call you to go for the interviews. You don't have the money. Automatically, that shows that you won't be given the visa because you don't have the money. That's why these guys, they even give you 7 months to look for that money, so that when that time comes for you to go for the interviews, you just go there, you pay, you do the interviews, and then you are done. You just wait for a visa. You just wait for them to call you to get your visas. So please make sure you start organizing your money, put all resources together, so that when that time comes, you won't hesitate. You just go right away. Then they do interviews. You do the interviews, and then you are given the visa. The other one is prior immigration violation, guys. US immigrant laws such as overstaying. For instance, you got you get a visitor's visa, then you overstayed. That is, and then you apply UNDV. That one is a non-negotiable. You won't be given the visa. So make sure, guys, when you come here as a visitors, if you've got intention to come to America as a DV winner, make sure when your time is up, you just go. You do the application in a normal way. But if that one depends on what you want as a person. Yes, let me just read a bit of it. Or illegal entry or being deported can make an applicant ineligible for DV rotary visa. So for as long as you came here through illegal entry or for as long as you didn't come here in a clean way, don't even dare to apply for this, because you won't be given the visa. So these are the points that we need to make sure that we follow these things, so that you don't have a problem in case you happen to win DV rotary, so that you just come as a clean person. The last one is when you are applying for DV rotary, guys, we always tell you include all those people you want to come with. Do not say, okay, let me just first apply, I go, then I'm going to start. It doesn't work like that, guys. It's not like the way we do it back home, where you can jump some stages in doing things. Here you do it in a normal way they're supposed to be done. So if you intend to come with your children, make sure you include them at the time of application, at the time of applying, so that you won't have any problem to have these guys come to join you when you land here. And moreover, when these guys give you the visa, guys, you're only given 6 months to bring those people. If you don't bring it, to result you into start petitioning, and it may take a longer time, maybe even 2 to 3 years for those guys to join you. So when you win DV rotary, if you don't have enough money, make sure you come. The many applicants come here, you work within 3 or 4 months, you are able to buy air tickets, so that your family can join you. That is one of the easiest way you can have your family, in case you don't have enough funds to buy air ticket for everyone. So let me just read on it. A failure to list eligible family members, spouse and children in initial DV rotary application, even if they do not intend to migrate, can lead to visa denial for all the members of the family. So you, as the main applicants, we keep on telling you guys, include all your children. Even if your children is very far, you can't get access to have them, we put them there. make sure please, if wherever those children are, ask even any person who stays that they just capture their picture so that they send to you, and maybe we do help you in terms of editing so that you can include them. Do not say no because he or she was very fast. So try by all means to make sure you include them at the time of application, because you are trying to maximize your chances of coming to the USA. And moreover, those people should be the one who benefit. After all, we're already grown up, so whatever we're doing for our family. So please make sure you don't make that mistakes. I don't want to hear say no, I could not include my wife because we are fighting. Whether you're fighting at that particular time, for as long as you are legally married, include her. Let you leave her after she won. Maybe things don't work out, you can leave her, but at least you did your part by making sure that she was included. So please, I thought I should highlight these points so that when you win DV lottery, you maximize your chances by avoiding these things that I've just told you. Please, I'm looking forward to do more videos about this. Watch out for the next video. At least I'm now doing the video that's so much related on these points. I don't want you to miss coming here, because this is a life-changing opportunity, and I know most of you, life is so hard back home, but when you get here, at least things, you can see things moving. Thank you so much, guys. I'm looking forward to see you. Please don't forget to comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe so that we keep them. Let's get this YouTube video to 10,000 subscribers. Right now, I'm very happy. We've got 2,000. We hit the 2,000 mark. So let's push to 10,000, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for always coming and supporting my YouTube channel. I love you. Bye-bye.